Hi, boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to be learning about fourths. And so I have a yummy pizza, and I want to share this pizza pie with three different people, and then including me. So I need to divide this pie into four equal shares. I want a slice, and Mr. Kevin wants a slice, and my mom and my dad want a slice. So that's four people. And so I need to figure out how I can divide this pizza pie into four. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide it in half. And when I divide it in half, I only have two shares. I only have two slices, but I need to have four slices. So what I'm going to do next is I am just going to divide it again in half, but down the middle. And now I have four shares. One, two, three, four. And I have four equal shares. I have four slices that are all the same size. I can also divide a rectangle into four pieces. So I'm going to drag my line and I'm going to divide this shape into four pieces. Here we go. One, two, three, four. Now let's talk about the different names that we can call one share. So I can call one share, so think about, I can call one slice of pizza out of my four a quarter. I could also call it 1/4, or I could call it one out of four shares. I could also call the whole pizza, all four shares, one whole, or 4/4 because there are four slices of pizza. Or I could call it 4 out of 4 parts. So those are just the different names we can call the whole pizza. All right, boys and girls, your job today is to go to the Google Slides and you are going to sort shapes into fourths. All right, have fun, first graders.